Hello. So here's a quick video just showing how I 9-volted the plastic rails with copper tape, and I got my old 4563 load and haul train running on it. And here's the rest of the track, which I'm still working on, still very much a work in progress. And I'm ballasting the railway here, so I have all this to do. But this copper tape, I used 6mm copper tape, and it works just great, as you can see. Just go backwards on it. So what I also did was I got the switches copper plated as well, and this is a bit more complicated, a little bit more tricky, because you have to put jumper wires underneath here, one across to there and one across to there. You also need to have continuity between this bit here and this section of the frog here. Also got the points here, but I found that you need to pad this section out a little bit more so it makes proper contact. So it's a little bit of a trial and error getting that to work, but that does work. And I think I should do a video on how I copper plated these switches. So I have 3 of them. In fact, I've got one over on this side here, the same thing, and I have one here as well. And I also did the flex tracks. These are a little bit tricky, but yeah, this can work as well. And I have several of them here together. So you can get the copper tape around here, and as long as you've got a good multimeter, you can check the continuity. Make sure you've got good connections here. So this section is the old 9-volt rail. So I'm still working on this section here. And just make sure this is, because I've had some issues with this, so it's slowing down, but it turned out to be I wasn't making good contact here with the copper tape. So yeah, it works pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to reverse into a section of track here. And then I'm going to just isolate this circuit. So it's off there. And in this section here, it's off. There we go. As we can see here, if I try and nothing, you get nothing. So if you do the switches, then you can still isolate sections of track. If I just connect these back again, and there we go. So that kind of works like the old section, the old track, I think. There you go. So that's a cheap way of making your plastic tracks 9V, and it does work. So thank you to Bevins Bricks for showing me this. It's a good trick. Thanks. Bye.